Today we're checking out the OE style taillight with chrome housing and a red lens for the passenger side of the 2018-20 F-150 with the factory halogen non-bliss taillights. If your passenger side taillight is cracked, faded, or full of moisture, this is an easy direct replacement option that brings the rear end back to looking clean and factory correct. When it comes to the features, this taillight is designed to match the original shape and style, so the chrome housing and the red lens keeps that classic factory look, and you can replace the passenger without having to worry about the driver's side. This is perfect for a simple repair after damage or refreshing up a truck where one side looks noticeably older than the other. Because it's OE style, the mounting points and the plug location are designed to line up exactly with your factory setup for an easy install and swap. And if you stick with me, we're going to show you that install just here in a minute. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a durable housing with an impact-resistant lens designed to handle weather and normal everyday use. This design is sealed to help prevent moisture intrusion, and the fit is meant to sit flush with the bed and the tailgate lines for a factory-like appearance once it's installed. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $100 price range. That is a very smart value for a direct passenger side replacement that restores both the looks and the function without paying those dealer level prices. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since it's a straightforward quick swap, and you can get this done in just 30 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Today we're going to swap out this OEM rear taillight on a 2018 F-150 with a new one. First thing we're going to do is open the tailgate up, get our tools out. We're going to need a 5/16 driver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and it could be helpful to have a small flathead screwdriver. You can also use a 5/16 impact if you want to, but this will work just fine, and we'll show you both ways of doing it. Before I start, let's take the new taillight out. You can compare it to see that it is the same light. You can take the covering off of it. And then I'm just going to set that aside over here until we need it. First thing we're going to do is take these two 5/16 bolts out of here. I'll start by using just the nut driver. Keep those right there. Top one, I'll use the impact gun. It'll come right out. And then if we walk around here, the taillight comes out by just taking it and pulling it straight back. Once you have the taillight out, you have to disconnect the wiring harness. For that, you simply need to push this little clip in here and then pull it apart and it'll come right out. When you take the light off of here, you'll notice there's two little spots back here where these clips go. There's two little rubber ends that are around here. If one of these happens to come off on the taillight like mine did, just pull it off and then push it. So now you can see that plastic piece is back in here, top and bottom. If you don't put that in, the light might rattle around, so it's important that you put that in. And here, the new light already has the bulbs all in it, so all we have to do is plug it together. It's got a little clip that goes right here inside, so that slides on, and then this clip just pushes back on that until you hear a click. Then just make sure you tuck your wire into the frame, and then there's the two pins here that you line up with these two holes, and there's one more pin up in the front that you got to make sure is in as well. So again, you're going basically straight from the back to the front is the motion that you want, getting everything lined up, and then just push it in like that. From there, we come around to the other side, and we're just going to put our bolts back in. Start them by hand, and then we can use our impact gun to put them back in. And that's it.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the OE style taillight and chrome housing and red lens for the passenger side of the 2018 to 20 F-150s with the factory halogen non-bliss taillights. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.